Some other patients that I typically get are moms, 1 kid to 4 kids to even 5 kids, and that can get very stressful. Now, I have no idea how it is being a mother, but I do know that I can be empathetic and I can feel the tension that's in your spine comes from the stresses of dealing with the kids or having to cook, clean, and a plethora of different things that's on your plate. I had a mom come in and she had severe pain in the neck. It was causing constant tingling into her hands, a sharp ice pick kind of pain in the right of her shoulder blade that just would never go away, and that was the main thing that was just debilitating her. She had sciatic. Overall, her whole body was stuck in inflammation. She came in, she's been on pain meds for like 2-3 years. She's been on these pain meds, popping 9 Tylenols a day, trying to figure out what's going on. And she just overall couldn't find the results that she was looking for until someone recommended her, hey, go try out this guy at an A-Touch Chiropractic. Let's see if he can help you with your neck pain, your back pain. So she came on in. When she came in, traps all the way up to her neck, couldn't lift her arms, couldn't even brush her hair. After just a series of adjustments, after the first adjustment, actually she came in the next time and her shoulders dropped. And that was the one thing that she said she'd noticed. She's like, my shoulders feel softer. But she still had immense pain, still had tingling that was bothering her. One thing about chiropractic that I want you to know is that it is a treatment plan for a reason. When I put you on this treatment plan, it's because I tailor this treatment plan because I know what you have going on. This is what's gonna get it better. So when people come in and it's 4 weeks into a treatment plan and they say, hey doc, my arm still tingles. Okay, well you're on a treatment plan, right? Let's keep on going. Because I know that it's only a matter of time before things shift in your life. So this mom, it's been about 3-4 weeks, and she came in and she was telling me the same thing. I still feel tingling. Do you think this is gonna work? Should I go seek other practitioners? She started to lose faith. Well, here in this practice, we're all built off of faith. We're all built off of hope, and we're all built off of real results. Continue to adjust her. I told her it's only a matter of time before your life starts changing for you. These pains start to fall off. And little know, 5-6 weeks in, she comes in, she lets me know the tingling's out of her arms. Now she feels like that sharp pain in her back that's been there for years finally shifted. So now she doesn't feel in that spot. She's very optimistic, and now she can play around with her kids. She said the other day that she was out there at the water park with her kids, which she said she hasn't done for years. So chiropractic isn't just cracking necks and sending you out the door. It's changing your life dynamically.